Mga bogus buyer at joy miners, dapat nga bang i-post? Uy, ingat ka kabalikat! Ako po si Atty. Matet Mangabat at narito ang ilang KMBI, kaalaman sa mga batas at impormasyon just for you. Sa nakaraang episode, napag-usapan natin kung ano nga ba ang tinatawag na bogus buyer at joy miners. Nakakainis na tunay kung mabibiktima kanila, di ba? Pero ang pagpo-post ng kanilang accounts, mukha or details, legal nga ba? Narito ang mga relevant laws to answer this question. Under the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 or Republic Act 10175, mayroong krimen na tinatawag na cyber libel. Libel under Article 353 of the Revised Penal Code is a public and malicious imputation of a crime or of a vice or defect, real or imaginary, or any act, omission, condition, status, or circumstance tending to cause the dishonor, discredit, or contempt of a natural or juridical person. When such libelous or defamatory contents are committed through a computer system or other similar means, it becomes cyber libel. So, if an online seller posts the name of individuals claiming that they are bogus buyers or joy miners without sufficient evidence, and this causes harm to their reputation, the seller could be liable for cyber libel. Meron din tayong tinatawag na Data Privacy Act of 2012 or Republic Act No. 10173. This law protects personal information from being unlawfully processed or disclosed without the individual's consent. Ang pagpo-post ng pangalan, profile o iba pang personal information ng inaakusahang bogus buyer at joy miner may violate their data privacy rights, particularly if done without their consent and without a lawful basis. Kaya paalala po sa ating mga online sellers, maging maingat sa pag-post ng pangalan, profile at iba pang personal information, ganon din sa pag-claim na ang isang tao ay bogus buyer o joy miner. Siguraduhin na ang ating claims ay truthful and supported by evidence to protect ourselves and our businesses from possible legal liabilities, and of course, try alternative means to resolve our concerns with our buyers. For more kaalaman sa mga batas at impormasyon, follow Kabalikat para sa Maunlad na Buhay Incorporated social media pages. Tandaan, mabuti ang may alam. Ako po si Atty. Matet Mangabat, masaya dito sa KMBI.